Hey YouTubers, it's my review on my stolen BMX bike. I start out, got a $200 front rim, Shattered Conspiracy rim. I don't know if you can see it in there. Just Shattered Conspiracy under there. Shattered Conspiracy front hub. I got Shattered Conspiracy seat. Shattered Conspiracy back wheel, back rim. Matt Hoffman back hub. Little 3-piece crank, Odyssey pedals. And we got premium forks. I'm not sure. I think the handlebars are premium too. I'm not sure. It's light as a motherfucker. I mean, pinky. Oh, this pinky's kind of wink. Wait. So I'm picking it up. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, it's pretty badass. I love it.